Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelly, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button right there below, which is the red button. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I post a new video, and give you a big thumbs up for today's video. Today's video is a very special video, all thanks to Meritbeauty. I'm sure you guys have all heard about Meritbeauty. They are actually one of the cleanest makeup brands, and they are actually at Sephora. So if you're wondering where have I seen them, it was probably on Sephora. It was so nice of them to reach out so I can review. And my first impression, I actually have never used Meritbeauty. They actually let me choose the products for today's video in honor of the new signature lightweight lipsticks that are launching this month. By the time you see this video, the lipsticks have already been out, so you guys can just go crazy and shop on their site. I chose a bunch of goodies. I got mascara, lengthening mascara. You guys are going to see how good it is. I got a brow gel that actually matches identical to my hair color, which is great. Blush, shade stick, their signature lightweight lipsticks, and a tinted oil. Besides the makeup, the coolest part is this bag. This bag is double lined, so you can actually use it, reuse it, and wash it. That's like amazing. It's the cutest color. You can just tie it like this and take it on the go, or you can just have the handles open as you would like, and it's the perfect size. I will also have Meritbeauty's link in the description box. You guys can just go down there and click and shop right away, and I will also have all of the exact names of all the makeup products that I use in today's video, so please make sure you check out the description box below. So enough of me rambling, let's get started. We're gonna get started. So today's video is sponsored by Merit. Thank you so much, Merit, for sending me the cutest little goodie bag. The purpose of today's video in collaboration with Meritbeauty is to show you their signature lightweight lipsticks, and I also got sent a bunch of other stuff. So we're gonna be getting ready together, testing out the products together. This is my first time even opening the products, testing them out, putting them on, all of it in today's video. Before we jump in, I just wanted to remind you that Meritbeauty signature lipsticks will probably already be out. This is their new lipsticks that came out in March, so I am so honored to be testing them out with you today. Went ahead and I did my eyebrows. Here we have the brow volumizing pomade. I got the color black brown because, as you can tell, I have like brown blackish hair. The packaging is so cute. My favorite color is gold, so I am a huge fan of. Oh, it matches my color perfectly. Already a huge fan. Oh, my eyebrows look so good. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then we're gonna move on to the left. Perfect. Now we're gonna move on to the next step, and this is the Perfecting Complexion Stick, and I think the packaging is so cute, so aesthetic. I love it. This is what it looks like. It's like perfect. It's always a little bit of trouble for me to choosing the perfect concealer shade. Okay. I like to add a lot around my nose because that's where I have the most redness. Oh my god, I did a really good job choosing my shade. It matches my skin color perfectly. So now I am fair white. This color is perfect. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see how nice it's blending, and it has great coverage. Wow, I am loving this already. It's actually very dewy. Love this already. And in my eyelids to cover up all these veins are impressing me. It has such nice texture. I and it's the perfect skin color. In the summer I do get very tan. I will definitely be buying myself a darker shade because I love this stuff. Okay, now we're gonna move on to blush. I usually don't add any contour or blush just because my skin is very sensitive to a lot of makeup products, but I am intrigued to test out this blush, and it's called the Flush Balm. If I could just get to opening it, that would be great. Oh my god, the cutest packaging. I love the matte gray packaging. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna add that blush. How cute is that color? It adds the perfect amount of blush that you need. We're gonna move on to mascara, the lengthening mascara. Since I have eyelash extensions, I will not be putting this on my lashes, but I am going to be applying this to my bottom lashes. The packaging is very elegant. It's so modern. Okay. A great tip is just to like lower your head and like wiggle your lashes. This mascara is very lengthening. I have pretty long lashes. They made the wand perfectly, so your lashes don't get tangled. They look nice and straight and dark. As you guys can see, my right eye nice and long, and on my left eye I have not applied any mascara, so you could already tell with one coat. Move on to the second eye. It's been a while since I put mascara on my lashes, and I just realized how much volume bottom mascara adds to your face. Wow, huge fan of all these products already. And here we have a shade stick, which is a tinted oil, and we have two signature lipsticks that are the whole purpose of this video. And the first one is called Millennial and Slip. So let's look at each color to see which one we will be applying today. Ooh, okay. Love how much gold they add to their packaging. And voila. This is the most perfect mauve pink shade, on time for spring. And now let's look at the other one. That was in the color Millennial, and now let's look at the color Slip. Oh my god, more nudes. Obsessed. It's like a brownish color. I love nudes. This is gonna be the hardest decision that I have to make. And let's look at the tinted oil. Maybe I can add it on top. This is so pretty. This is what the tinted oil looks like. Wow, this color is beautiful. So I think I'm gonna do the mauve color, and then I'm gonna add this on top. We have already lined the lips. Now we're gonna go in with the lipstick. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful that I don't even want to touch it. I'm gonna take a picture of it before we actually apply it. Oh my god. If this is not the most perfect pink. This lipstick has the perfect texture. It's not drying, it's not matte. It feels like it has a little bit of Vaseline. Now we are gonna add the tinted oil on top. Oh my god. Obsessed. Oh, she is ready. These are the perfect spring colors. This is what the final look looks like. Ooh, she's ready. This is what the final look looks like. I am obsessed with my brows. It matches my natural hair color perfectly. Mascara is super lengthening. If you are afraid of wearing blush because you blush already, just like me, I blush super fast, so that's why I do not apply blush. But by applying this blush, it just gives your cheeks the perfect amount of pink that you can tell you have blush, but not too much. So it's just perfect. This lip combo that I have on, I'm gonna have on all spring. The perfect mauve underneath, and then the lip oil just added the perfect pink on top. Scream spring. I love it. I love how my makeup came out. What do you guys think? Thank you so much to Meritbeauty for sending me out these goodies to test out and to review. I am obsessed. This makeup brand is definitely now on my top list. I love everything. I'm sure you guys have seen everybody has been into simple makeup, and this is just the perfect amount of makeup. Make sure to go on Meritbeauty.com, get yourself the signature lip lightweight lipsticks that recently came out. And before I let you guys go, I just wanted to mention the prices of everything. So the shade stick goes for $38, the lipsticks go for $26, the blush for $28, the lip oil for $24. These prices are very, very affordable. Try something out from Meritbeauty. You are not going to regret it. And again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please hit that subscribe button right there below. Please hit that bell button to get notified every time we post a new video, and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you guys are going to be shopping Meritbeauty, thank you so much for watching. Bye.